how much should you really spend on a thermal scope? Because here's the thing, cheap ones promise night vision magic for under $20 while serious models cost thousands. But price doesn't always mean performance. Some affordable options actually deliver real value, while expensive ones can still fall short. Today, we break down exactly what's worth your money. Product number 1, Wen Tig DY Mini Monocular. First up, the Wen Tig DY Mini Monocular, and honestly, this one's a red flag in disguise. At just $10.77, it claims 2000x magnification and 80,000 m range, which sounds insane because it is. Real optics don't work like that. If you want actual thermal detection for hunting or security, this won't cut it. Now, some people might say, hey, it's waterproof and portable. And yeah, it is, but that's like praising a toy car for having working headlights. It looks the part but fails at the core job. This is perfect for casual birdwatching or concerts if you're on a tight budget and don't need night vision. But skip this one if you're serious about thermal imaging. You're just buying a fancy magnifying glass. Product number 2, AGM Rattler V2 25256. Now, if that last one left you skeptical, the AGM Rattler V2 25256 is where things get real. This isn't a toy, it's a full thermal rifle scope built for serious hunters. With a 25mm germanium lens and 3.5x base magnification, it detects heat signatures up to 1,250 yards away. The 11.5-hour battery life with dual rechargeable packs ensures you're never left powerless during long overnight hunts. Plus, shot-activated recording saves every moment automatically, no fumbling with buttons when the action starts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hunting hogs, coyotes, or tracking game after sunset, this scope gives you the edge. Now, some people complained about the lack of included mounting hardware, which is frustrating when you're ready to install it. Here's the thing though, most serious hunters already have rail systems, and AGM scopes are widely compatible. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, long-range thermal detection and don't mind sourcing your own mount. Skip this one only if you're on a tight budget, but for the performance, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Klein Tools T220. Alright, that was a solid option for hunters. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for DIYers, electricians, or homeowners. The Klein Tools T220. This isn't a rifle scope, it's a handheld thermal imager that plugs into your Android phone. The touchscreen readout shows exact temperatures, and high-low alarms alert you to dangerous overheating. It works from -4 degrees F to 752 degrees F, so whether you're checking a circuit breaker or a furnace, it handles extreme conditions. Now, some people complained about the short USB cable and lack of iOS support, which limits usability for iPhone users. This is perfect for you if you're a technician, inspector, or homeowner who wants thermal imaging without spending thousands. Skip this one if you need long-range detection or hunting features. It's built for close-up diagnostics, not tracking wildlife. Product number 4, Traylight Golf Scope. Now, if thermal imaging feels overkill for your needs, the Traylight Golf Scope takes a completely different approach, and it's not even thermal. At $14.10, this is a basic 5x monocular rangefinder designed for golfers. It gives you a clear view of the flagstick from hundreds of yards away, with a wide field of view and fully coated lenses for sharp images in daylight. It's lightweight, comes with a belt pouch, and works great on the course. But here's the catch. It doesn't measure distance electronically or work at night. If you're expecting thermal or laser rangefinding, you'll be disappointed. Now, some people complained about the lack of magnification adjustment. It's fixed at 5x, so you can't zoom in closer. Here's the thing though, for casual golfers who just want to see the green better, it's simple, durable, and dirt cheap. This is perfect for you if you play golf occasionally and want a backup scope without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need night vision, distance measurement, or serious optical power. It's a niche tool for a niche use. Product number 5, AGM Rattler V2 19256. Finally, we loop back to AGM with the Rattler V2 19256, a slightly different beast than the 25mm version. This model offers a wider field of view and 2.5x base magnification, making it ideal for close to mid-range hunting in dense brush. The 8x digital zoom and 10 reticle options let you adapt to fast-moving targets like hogs or predators. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hunting in thick woods or need quick target acquisition, the wider view keeps more of the scene in frame. Now, some people complained about the smaller lens reducing long-range clarity compared to the 25 model. Here's the thing though, for most real-world hunts under 500 yards, the difference is minimal, and the faster scanning makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and versatility over extreme range. Skip this one only if you regularly shoot beyond 800 yards, otherwise, it's a killer mid-range thermal scope. So which thermal scope is best for the money? If you're hunting seriously, the AGM Rattler V2 models dominate. Pick the 25-256 for range, the 19-256 for speed. For diagnostics, the Klein T220 is a steal, but avoid the cheap monoculars, they're not thermal at all. At the end of the day, real thermal imaging costs something, but when you buy smart, you get performance that lasts.